And don't cover my edges. I'm gonna lay them after I'm done with my makeup. So you stay over there and mind your business. I'm just kidding. What up, what up, what up, what up? Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys have been doing pretty good. So for today's video, we're gonna be playing with some makeup. I want to do my signature summer look. This is what has been my current go-to. I do this pretty much 80 to 90% of the time I do my makeup. This is what I go for. I may switch out some colors to, to make it different, but as far as technique goes, this is normally what I would do in the summertime. And I'll also make sure to link my video down below, the one with the heat-proof makeup look, because I do a lot of the same techniques in that video as I do now. So if you want a more in-depth detail, as to how I do my base and how I keep it long-lasting and flawless and all that stuff, I'll go ahead and link that video down below so you can check that out. But if you want to see what look we end up creating and the products that we end up using, then just go ahead and keep watching. So first off, I'm gonna say this. I went to the pool. Today is Tuesday. I went to the pool Thursday and Friday back to back with India and some of her family and our friends. And we were out there each day, I kid you not, at least 5 hours. So your girl got dark, okay? I don't know if it's noticeable on camera, because I have like natural light as well as the LED light in front of me, but baby, like I got dark. I even got a sunburn on my face, and when I tell you I put so much sunscreen on both days, so that was, I don't know, I'm not mad at it, So I'm gonna be using a couple different things, a couple different foundations too, because I did get darker, so I'm gonna have to go up a little bit when it comes to the color. But some of the products I'll be using, I haven't used in a while on this channel, but I do love all of these items. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. As you can see, I've already done my eyebrows because I do the same thing every time. I use my e.l.f. brow pomade and I just clean up with my concealer and keep it pushing. So for foundation, I'm going to take, let me shake this up. I'm gonna take the Stellar foundation, which looks like this. I'm in the shade D01. I love this foundation. It's very skin-like, and it's supposed to be a luminous foundation. I don't think it's that luminous. It's definitely like a natural satin kind of finish, but I really like the way this foundation looks on my skin. So I'm gonna be taking that. But before I do that, let me go ahead and color correct as usual. I have to put some of that color corrector on my nose, because when I tell you that baby is sunburnt, she is sunburnt. And I already did put primer on. I used the Tatcha Silk Canvas primer, the liquid one. Okay, so now that I've finished color correcting, I'm gonna take my foundation and apply that all over my face. I'm hoping this color is a good match, because okay, it's good. Okay, so the foundation is on. Now I'm gonna take my Born This Way Too Faced concealer in the shade Chestnut and just apply that onto my face. I'm just gonna use my Dose of Colors beauty blender and blend that out. And because it's the summertime and it's hot, it's God knows what, the motto I go with is less is more. The less you have on your face, the less that is going to melt off and try to run away from your face. No, seriously. Like if you cake on your makeup, especially when it's like really hot, I feel like it starts to break apart so easily. So I like to try to keep each base pretty minimal. So our concealer is all blended out. I'm just gonna go back with my foundation brush, make sure the edges and everything is good to go. And like I said, less is more, so I'm not applying any more foundation or another layer of concealer. I just like to keep it pretty minimal when it comes to my base, because I do tend to get oily quickly, so I do not want to have a cake face and have a bunch of makeup break apart, you know? Now, because your girl got, like I said, because I, you know, got a little bronze, I don't think the Maybelline City Bronzer will work for me, but I do have my Hoola Toasted Bronzer. I did get this specifically for the summertime because I needed something that was a lot darker than what I normally use. But I tried using this one time and it is so pigmented. So guys, please tread lightly with this bronzer because all you need is a little bit. Do not go ham, you will look retarded. You will look crazy. So I'm just gonna tap a little bit, tap off, and go ahead and bronze my face. I'm just gonna pat it in. Yeah, she is dark. It's exactly what I needed. And we're gonna go ahead and set that concealer. I'm gonna be using my tried and true Ben Nye Banana Powder. This is the best powder ever. I'm telling you, your face will be locked and ready to serve. It's not going anywhere. So I love using this, especially when it's super duper hot, because I know that my face will look absolutely flawless and it will last all day. I love this Dose of Color sponge because it just gets right in there because it's pointy. Love it, love it, love it. Clean up underneath the contour. And I'll just go ahead and wipe off the bake. I know I will use this until the day I stop doing makeup, which I don't know when that will be, but Ben Nye Banana Powder is where it's at, guys. Okay, and because I look so dry, I'm just gonna take my Morphine Refreshing Continuous Setting Mist and just lock this all in. Y'all, look at this base. You see this base? That's what I call a base, honey. So somebody decided to pop up on me unannounced.
Hey guys.
So she's back again. Don't mind her.
Back to back, made back, stacked it in. I'm just kidding.
Let's just get back to the video. I'm gonna zoom you guys in and we can do this eye look and then finish the face and we'll be all done. Okay, so I've zoomed you guys in a lot closer. So I'm gonna be using 2 palettes today. Really, you really don't need to use 2 palettes. You could use whatever you want to use because honestly, this is gonna be another basic bronzy eye. So don't come for me. I know, but that's just my go-to. Bronzy, you know, natural, soft, that's my go-to. But really, I love this palette, the Huda Beauty Topaz Obsessions. For these little 9-pin palettes that she has are so good. I'm gonna be using this. So as you can see, it has some mattes as well as some shimmers. Let me focus on it. Ooh, yeah, it has mattes, it has shimmers. It's a beautiful, like, everyday go-to palette, so I always keep this in my go-to makeup bag. But I also wanted to incorporate the Amrezy palette. I've shown you guys this, I think, once in my channel. I really like this palette too because it comes with a bunch of transitions. It has golds, it also has pops of color. This is a beautiful palette to use as well. So I'm kind of gonna hop back and forth between the two, but I'm gonna start off with a transition. So I'm gonna take New Yorker, which is this from Amrezy's palette, and put that on my crease. And I'll be using the Morphe M533 brush. Now I'm going to take the shade 1988, which is this color right here, and I'm just going to focus that on the outer crease, like right out here. And I'm just taking a smaller, more condensed blending brush. And what I like to do, I like to pat it in first and then blend it out. So just like that, as you can see, we're creating a little bit of depth in our crease. And I'm kind of angling the color out because I want it to come out like a little cat eye. So just like that. And now I'm going to move on to the Huda Topaz Obsessions, and ooh, this is the hard part, picking a shimmer. So I've decided to go with this color right here. So I'm just gonna take my little nubs, since I don't have nails, and and just put that on the eye. And I'm also gonna kind of bring it up to the crease a little bit, just to blend everything out together a little bit. So just like that, as you can see, I dragged the color up a little bit into my crease in my inner corner, just to kind of open my eye up a little bit. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and use the same colors I used on my crease and just put that on my lower lash line as well. So I'm gonna take the same color, 1988, from the Bronzy palette, and put that on the lower lash line. So that's pretty much it when it comes to the eyeshadow. Now I'm going to use my brown liner. This is the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil, and put that in my upper and lower lash line. All right, and I'm going to put mascara on before I put my lashes. I will be using my Pat McGrath Fetishized Mascara. You guys know that I love this mascara, but she's been taking the back seat because I've been using my Maybelline one, but I thought I'll bring her out today. I love how I'm talking about these like they're people. Hashtag makeup issues. Alright, so as you can see, I already did my mascara. I went and plopped on some lashes. I have on my Beauty Creation lashes in the style Expensive. These are a new style that I'm trying out, and I actually like them. They're very natural, but noticeable, but natural. So it's actually perfect for this look. Let me go ahead and zoom you guys out, and we can finish the face, and we'll be out of here. So for blush, I'm going to use my Juvia's Place Bella blush. This blush is a beautiful, I guess, terracotta kind of color is the best way for me to describe it. It's very pigmented, so I do not need a lot at all. But as you know me, I love my blush, so I'm probably gonna OD as usual. For highlighter, I'm gonna use the Dior Skin Highlighter, the Luminizer, in the shade, I don't know, I'm gonna find the shade name and make sure I put it down below, but it's the darkest one, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that on my cheeks. And I like to keep my highlighter pretty up high to my cheekbones. I don't really like to drag it down towards my cheeks because I do get oily, so I don't want to enhance that oiliness or emphasize it. As well as on the tip of my nose. Just like that. Ooh, I'm looking cute. Alrighty, and now for the lip, we are going to see. I think I'm gonna do a matte lip, so I'm gonna line my lips with my BFF4 lip liner. And then I'm going to take my Huda matte lipstick in the shade Last Night. This is one of my favorite lipsticks. The shade, it's so pretty. It's a very cool tone. And that is it. This is the finished, my go-to summer makeup look. I feel like it came out a lot more glam than what I was expecting, but I'm not mad at it. It looks really, really good. I love the eyes. I love everything. Yes, so I absolutely love the way this look came out. I'm gonna make sure I link and tag and whatever. Everything's gonna be in my description box. If you guys wanna know anything, I always put everything in my description box below, so check that out too. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Help me grow this platform. I love doing this. This is what I love to do. This is what I want to do as my career, so I would love your support. Share this video, share all my videos. If you love me, tell your friends about me, your family about me, and let me know what else you guys would like to see, and I'll see you guys on the next one.